Hello everyone, welcome to Touchpad channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable your touchpad in your Windows 11 computer. So what you should do first is click on start and then click on settings. Now from the left click on Bluetooth and devices. Now scroll down a bit until you find touchpad. Here it is, and then click on it. Now from here all you need to do to disable your touchpad is click on this toggle button, and that will disable the touchpad. And to enable it all you need to do is click on this toggle button again, and which will enable your touchpad. Now alternatively what you can do is click on this arrow here and then uncheck this checkbox, and what it will do is disable your touchpad when a mouse is connected to your computer and re-enable the touchpad when your mouse is disconnected, which is a really useful feature. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.